Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of how to video, I'm going to show you how you can remove spots from images, or how you can have a smooth texture in a face without using a plugin. Now, it's a common practice for some persons to install add-on plugins like portraiture and noiseware to do this effect, but I'm going to show you the tip and tricks that will enable you accomplish the same effect using just the available Photoshop tool. So let's get started. First, I've downloaded an image that I will use for this course. So the first thing I'll do is to click on open. I'll select open to import the picture to my working environment. Now you can see how rough this texture is. To make it smooth, the first thing I'm going to do is to unlock this image from being a background element to a layer element by double clicking on it and clicking on OK. Now if I'm just to remove some spots on this image, I'll use patch tool by clicking on it, highlighting an area I want to work on, then dragging it to a smoother part of the skin. That will replace that particular spot. But what I'm trying to accomplish is on a grander scale, to apply a smoother effect on the entire face. So the first thing I'll do in this instance is to duplicate my layer, so I have two separate layers. Then I will work on the first layer. I'm going to add a layer mask. Now the purpose of this layer mask is to add those effects that I will apply later on the second layer. So I've added a layer mask. Now I'll go over to the main image itself. I'm selecting the image, not the layer mask. The image itself, I'll go over to filter, click on blur, Gaussian blur, and select a radius that will determine the smoothness of the skin while applying it to the second layer. In this instance, I'm using 26.3, but you may use your own discretion while applying the radius. Okay. So next thing I will do, I'll go back to the layer mask and change this color to black by switching the foreground color from white to black. And I will use the paint to select it. Remember, I'm still selecting the layer mask, so I click on this environment, it will replace the white to black, revealing the original image. But here's the trick: to apply this smooth feel to the layer 2, I will switch back my foreground to white. Then I will go over to the brush tool. Remember, by adding black to my layer mask, I automatically change the visibility of this initial layer. So for instance, if I hide this layer 2, toggle the visibility, you see that I'm having a blank layer. But if I select it and toggle back the visibility, I'll be seeing this layer 2 because there's no layer mask covering it. So I'm going back to this layer mask, select white, remember, and I select brush tool. Can increase the brush tool size, increase or decrease. The only thing I need to do is to click and drag it around this layer mask, so that the blur effect is added there will automatically reflect on the layer 2. As you can see, I've successfully transformed this image from having rough patches to to having this smoother feel. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this link to those who may benefit from this video. Thanks for staying with us while this video lasts. Until next time, happy exploring.